Combine different shapes using Boolean operations in Figma. You need at least 2 shapes. Then you probably want them to overlap somehow. Select them both, and at the very top you will see this option for Boolean groups. Open it up, and inside this you will see 4 different operations that we can apply. The first one is union. It will add 2 shapes together. Second one is subtract. So the top shape will kind of cut the hole in the bottom shape. Then there's intersection. As you may guess, only the intersecting part will stay and everything else will be gone. And the final one is exclude. So that's the exact opposite of intersection. The intersecting part is gone and everything around stays. So that's how you can use Boolean operation, geometric operation in Figma. Select both shapes first and you will see it at the top bar above. I hope this short tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.